In 2006, we started implementing Microsoft Navision in our organization, and there has been no turning back ever since, and we are just moving ahead with it all the time.
I have spent almost 10 years searching for the right software for our company. Then I came across InstaNav.
To get success in the modern business, one has to adopt technology. Since we are having 10 companies in our group, we have to manage each and everything, right from inventory, production, sales, purchase, etc. And we are grateful that we have got such a great package from Microsoft.
We are using Navision. In 2004, we bought this from Microsoft. We had our own share of problems because there was a lack of understanding. So we would demand that everything should be done through ERP, but then later we learned that it's not possible to have everything from a standard ERP. And then we tapered down the requirements to the basic things that we are, most importantly, which were required for the business. And having understood that and having implemented, I think now it's working very beautifully.
If I talk about inventory with Nav, it has made life much easier. We have to just put in the reorder levels and the orders are directly sent to the vendors. The information goes to the production manager or the production people in a flash of a second the moment order is feeded. Earlier it was 3 days time just for the information to reach the plant that they have to produce the goods. So I think we've saved enough hours there.
Right from the sales quotation making and standardization of sales quotation making process, which was very important for us. I don't have to teach people every single time that this is how you got to configure a particular application. So I have some templates and they just use the templates and they are pre-costed. So that saves a lot of time and effort and knowledge. A new person is able to make quotation. For example, sales, we used to give a quote in 4 or 5 days. Now we are able to get a quote out in 1 day. Inventory, now we know what is in stock and what is not in stock, so we can give a firm commitment to our client when we can ship your material, and we can capture more orders because of that. So I think it is the total integration that has helped.
And you can keep track of your performances, and you can also analyze what is the right thing you're doing and what is the wrong thing that you've done.
Luckily, I would say with the help of the software, we were able to analyze our sales very well, our production, our efficiencies, and also the market has changed ever since we have put this software. So we are growing with 30 to 35% per annum as of now.
It helps me to control my inventories. It helps me to track where the items are at various stages of manufacture. And most important thing, it gives us real-time data. And with this data, we can draw meaningful inferences and use it to our advantage.
The benefit of NAV that we have got in our business is tremendous. Our manpower cost has not gone to that extent as the increase in our turnover. I mean, NAV is undoubtedly the principal factor behind us.
So with Navision, the whole organization can visualize, it can dream, and till today, it is something like the Amitabh Bachchan of Bollywood or the robot which has come into our organization, and everyone starts thinking, and my team, my system admin, they will all talk about it. They feel anything is possible with Navision, which was never possible earlier.